Welcome back to Cardano News Today. Bitcoin and Ether are names that most users know, even if they're new to the world of cryptocurrencies. But now cryptocurrency experts around the world are talking about the lesser-known cryptocurrency Cardano, which they call Caution. Cardano, using its native cryptocurrency ADA, became the third largest cryptocurrency in the world in August this year. In this video today, we bring you breaking news that you must know about Cardano and what billionaire Mark Cuban had to say about the third biggest cryptocurrency in the market. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any crypto update. Currently, the market capitalization is estimated to be about $72 billion, and only Bitcoin and Ether are at the top of the chart. And things seem to be getting better just for cryptocurrencies in general. Today, its cryptocurrency ADA has surpassed Bitcoin and Ethereum after its value increased by 1,000% in 2021. In favor of Cardano is the fact that it's one of the few highly valuable cryptocurrencies with sustainable characteristics. This is relevant when conversations about cryptocurrency sustainability have led to a decline in the value of major players like Bitcoin. Bitcoin also has lost support from its former supporter, SpaceX founder Elon Musk. He cited the lack of sustainability as a reason to support Dogecoin. ADA is sustainable because of its blockchain protocol. Therefore, unlike Bitcoin, Cardano does not rely on supercomputers to generate new ADA units and process transactions. Cardano is based on what's known as the proof-of-stake system. Here, the miner needs to place cryptocurrency as a stake to validate the transaction. This makes Cardano's power consumption a very small percentage of Bitcoin network usage. According to Cardano's official website, cryptocurrencies are trying to achieve capitalization similar to technology giants. It may be fair to compare blockchain projects with current technology giants such as Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon, the site's statement added. Cryptocurrencies have caused a wave in the investment world this year, with celebrities such as Bitcoin and Ethereum regularly being talked about. One of the new players in the crypto space is Cardano, which is steadily gaining momentum among investors. Over the past month, Cardano prices have exploded by more than 55%. In contrast, Ethereum rose 4% and Bitcoin fell 1%. Cardano may be a new cipher for blocks, but it has some major advantages. But is this the right time to invest? Benefits of Cardano. Cardano was created by the co-founder of Ethereum, so the two cryptocurrencies share several features. Both enable the development of smart contracts, for example, digital contracts that use blockchain technology to validate transactions. Some investors believe that smart contracts can revolutionize society, especially the legal industry. Compared to Bitcoin, Cardano is more energy efficient. Bitcoin uses the proof-of-work protocol during the cryptocurrency mining process. In short, to validate transaction and earn tokens, Bitcoin miners need to use high-performance computers to solve increasingly difficult puzzles. This is very energy-consuming, and Bitcoin has been criticized for its environmental impact. Cardano, on the other hand, uses proof-of-stake protocol. Using this protocol, miners must risk their cryptographic possession to validate transactions. This reduces transaction time and significantly reduces energy usage. What is missing? Cardano has many advantages, but it also has many drawbacks. The main thing is that it's not as well known as its competitors. Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency, the most name-recognized, and offers the advantages of a starter in the crypto space. Ethereum is the second most popular cryptocurrency and shares many of the same benefits as Cardano. In addition to hosting smart contracts, we also plan to move forward to a proof-of-stake network. Ethereum is also home to irreplaceable tokens and decentralized financial movements, offering more realistic utility than Cardano. Of course, this doesn't necessarily mean that Cardano can't find a way to outperform its competitors in the future. It is a relatively new cryptocurrency that still has room for growth. Also, since cryptocurrencies are not zero-sum games, multiple currencies can coexist with their respective advantages. Is Cardano perfect for you? Whether you're buying cryptocurrencies or stocks, make sure you have a long-term outlook before investing anywhere. Invest in Cardano only if you think it will work well over the next few years or decades. Investing is not get rich quick, so don't get caught up in trendy investments that can make a ton of money in the short term. No one knows if cryptocurrencies will succeed, but if you believe in the long-term potential, be prepared to hold your investment through a wave of volatility. Bitcoin has lost more than 80% of its value in the past, and Ethereum's value has occasionally plummeted by nearly 95%. Cryptocurrencies may not be the right investment for you if you're not accustomed to short-term volatility. Will Cardano eventually become the mainstream currency? No one knows for sure. It has its advantages, but it's still very speculative at this point. If you believe in that possibility, it can lead to a solid long-term investment. If not, there are plenty of other investment options out there. When a team of award-winning analysts have stock tips, it can pay to hear. After all, the Motley Fool Stock Advisor, a newsletter they've published for over a decade, has tripled the market. They revealed what they believe are the 10 best stocks investors should buy now, and Cardano wasn't one of them. Yes, they think these 10 shares are even better buys. Mark Cuban praised Cardano's contract with Ethiopia, but revealed that he was not convinced of the true usefulness of the platform and questioned why Cardano does not yet have a smart contract. Mark Cuban, a millionaire investor and professed fan of Ethereum, mentioned Cardano cryptocurrency ADA in a Twitter post. He said it's great that Cardano has done this in Africa, but he hasn't seen anything interesting platform-based apps yet. It all started when digital currencies reached a new price record last week. The billionaire then decided to ask on Twitter what the use of cryptocurrencies was and said he would ask this question about digital assets. Like some cryptocurrencies, Cardano has tried to open a courtroom in Elon Musk after abandoning Bitcoin for his energy consumption. Cardano's founder, Charles Hoskinson, has paused in an attempt to seduce Tesla's CEO to convince Cuba that Cardano is a great project. He explained the characteristics of his platform to millionaires, saying that the major issues with cryptocurrency relevance exceed transaction fees and the number of transactions per second. He said his project focuses on the true usefulness of assets, network effects, and a significant increase in users. The tweet captivated some Cardano fans who asked American millionaires to take a closer look at the platform. Mark Cuban praises Cardano, but Mark Cuban replied that he didn't think Cardano had enough usefulness and support, saying he couldn't find a particularly useful Cardano-based application. Hoskinson didn't like it very much and emphasized that the Cardano-based project is already in use by 5 million students in Ethiopia and that thousands of assets have been launched on the Cardano network. He also said that a beautiful DApp ecosystem will be developed using Cardano's smart contract capabilities. Cuban praised Cardano's contract with Ethiopia, but revealed that it was not convinced of the true usefulness of the platform and questioned why Cardano does not yet have a smart contract. In response, Hoskinson said that the entire smart contract model that had been rebuilt in Cardano and said it took 4 years. He also recorded a video trying to better explain to the millionaire that the platform is about to launch in the future. Mark Cuban no longer responded, at least for a while. Cardano plunged over 3%. Cryptocurrency prices continued to be in the red on September 28th. The market capitalization of the world's cryptocurrencies is down by 0.25% from the previous day, but the total amount of cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours reduced to another 14.65%. Cryptography is essentially cryptographically projected technology that enables the exchange of data and facilitates transactions that are replicated and distributed throughout the network of computer systems on the blockchain, the report said. Individual investors in India have invested $6.6 billion in crypto assets and are estimated to grow to $15.6 billion by 2030. The Indian crypto industry has the potential to generate $184 billion in economic value added in the form of investment and cost savings, said NASSCOM. Meanwhile, the new total ban on all cryptocurrency transactions and mining in Beijing, the most widespread by major economies to date, has scrambled crypto exchanges and services providers to break business relationships with clients in mainland China. Shares in a range of Chinese crypto companies have plummeted into a ban that closes the loopholes left in the crackdowns on previous regulations on the sector. However, industry executives said many companies have already moved a significant part of their business outside of China. 10 strong Chinese government agencies said in a joint statement on Friday that foreign exchanges were banned from servicing mainland investors via the internet, formerly the gray area. Illegal cryptocurrency activity. Vowed to jointly eradicate. In response, Huobi Global and Binance, two of the world's largest exchanges and popular with Chinese users, have stopped new account registrations by mainland customers. Huobi also said it would clean up existing ones by the end of the year. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.